Hey guys, you made it to Thursday, your sound check-in. Every 2 weeks we do that, right? And also, guess what? After today, you have Friday off, and Saturday off, and Sunday off, and Monday off. That's a super, super, super duper long weekend. But if you get bored and you want to do some schoolwork, I'm sure your mom could find some work for you to do. But I think some of you are quite ready to have a little break from school, right? Well, first, I'm going to tell you a joke to get us started. What do you call a horse that lives next door? What do you call a horse that lives next door? You guys know it all? A neighbor. Get it? What a joke. I would love to hear if you have a joke. Maybe I can share it next time. Well, our sound check-in is going to have 6 words. And then I'm going to do 2 sentences. Ooh, we haven't done that for a while, right? Can you still see me? Yeah, we haven't done that in a while. So, the last 2 sounds that we have learned about is the OR sound. And we've also learned about the R sound. This time I'm not going to tell you which sound it is. You have to pick. Are you going to put the OR if you hear an OR sound, or the AR if you hear the R sound? Are you guys ready? You have your green journal. And word number 1 is the word dark. I am quite afraid of the dark. The word is dark. What's the word? Good job. And make sure that D looks like a D and not a B, right? Okay, word number 2 is the word star. I love it when I can see a star, especially a shooting star. What's the word, boys and girls? That's right, star. Fantastic. Word number 3 is short. The word is short. When I was younger, I was quite short. What's the word? That's right, short. What are you going to use? Okay, word number 4 is car. Right now, I cannot drive my car. What's the word? Good job, the word is car. Remember, if I'm going too fast, just stop the video and write down the word and keep playing the video, right? Word number 5 is fork. In the movie, you probably saw the shark trying to eat the corn with the fork. The word is fork. Can you guys say that? Fantastic. Okay, word number 6, your last word, and then we're going to do sentences, is horn. Everybody go blow on that horn. What's the word? Good job, horn. That was word number 6. Okay, you ready for your first sentence? And there might be some rule breakers in this sentence. And there might be some or words or are words. Okay, are you ready? Sentence number 1. I was born on a farm. I was born on a farm. One more time. I was born on a farm. And remember what every sentence needs, a capital letter and a period, right? Okay, sentence number 2. It's a little bit of a longer one. She will not forget that shark. 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 Okay, when you finish that, remember, if you need more time, just pause the video, read your sentences again, see if they make sense, if you didn't make any silly mistakes, and read your words again, and then see if you can write some rule breakers at the top. Now, the last 2 rule breakers were quite tricky, but maybe you still know how to write them. The first rule breaker that I like you to write at the top in that white space is the word which. Which backpack would you like to buy? Mom asked Emma. Which backpack would you like to buy? Mom asked Emma. I wonder if you remember how to write that. What's the word? There we go, the word which. And your second rule breaker is the word only. I only have enough money to buy a loaf of bread. Only. Great job, guys. That's it. You did it. You are awesome. I definitely am missing you guys so much, but I do, and I'm very proud of you guys for still working hard at home. Even when it's maybe you're missing your friends a little bit, or maybe you're missing the teacher in the school, but hopefully this will soon be over, right? So great job. Have a great weekend. I think most of you are nearly finished all your work. Have a fantastic weekend, a super duper long weekend. And I'll see you guys again next week, Tuesday. Oh, before I forget, it's Thursday today, which means whose birthday is it today? Kenley! Happy birthday, dear Kenley! Happy birthday, dear Kenley! Happy birthday, dear Kenley! Happy birthday, we love you! Hope you have a great day, Ken. All right, bye guys. See you later.